Is it ready?
Yeah, we're rolling.
This is Philip. He's a poet. What is it? Poet?
Poet.
Okay, he's going to tell my story. He just said some poetry. He's going to tell my story. He just met me. He's going to touch my heart with his poetry because he's a sensitive guy. He's a world traveler. He's been around the block a few times and had his heart broken. You ever have your heart broken, son?
All the time.
Really?
All the time.
Really? Oh, this is, okay. Go ahead and tell me a poem. I want a poem, son. Hold on. Let me get my lucky glasses on. This way I can feel the poem. He's gonna tell a poem. Make it like a triumphant love story without the love of a guy that is a fighter without the fight. This guy that is hungry without no food.